guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Jordan Zion 2. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So we are thankful and we're grateful for you. Thank you. Let's go. Let's get into it. So today we've got to look at the Jordan Zion 2. We've got this in the court purple black colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's a European 42 and it's a US men's 8.5. So this is the second of the Zion Williamson line that Jordan have. And again, the box is similar as the first one. If you want to check out the first Zion review, we have done it. Check that out right here. But it's just more or less the same box. So you've got Zion Williamson, Jumpman, and you've got Jumpman logo here, black and white. And to my knowledge, I think every current NBA player who's signed to Jordan has their own line. Because I do think Jason Tatum will be getting his. Obviously Zion's on his second, and Luka's just got his first Luka one. Don't worry guys, we're trying to get the Luka one, but right at the minute, I don't think I can find it in the UK. I mean, I've tried looking for it, I can't find it at the minute. But we were able to get the Zion 2, and this is apparently better than the first one. So we'll see. Here it is, right here. I know, guys, I'm very biased to the color purple because of my love for prints. But I'm a big fan already because it's purple, and you know I really like that like old school Raptors as well. Even though Zion doesn't play for the Raptors, obviously he plays for the Pelicans. But I think NBA players can wear whatever sneaker color they want now anyway. So hopefully we see Zion wear these bad boys. But we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see like herringbone traction patterning here at the heel. However, at the forefoot, you got a massive Zion logo in red right there for you. Moving on to the midsole unit. So this midsole unit has the most air cushioning. Well, it boasts it from Nike, from Jordan brand, I mean, sorry. But you've got the air zoom right here at the forefoot, and you've got an air strobel unit that's found at the heel. So if you were to cut this open, you'll find the air pods at the forefoot and at the back. You've got a strobel, so you know how at the insole, if you were to lift that up, you'll find like a strobel board, and it's got air technology. It will be right here at the back. Obviously, for such an explosive player like myself, I wanted to have a nice landing when I do my dunks. I'm kidding, guys. It's obviously for Zion Williamson. I'm nowhere near dunk, obviously. Obviously, this shoe was designed with Zion's prowess, his athleticism in mind, because I mean I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a clip of Zion Williamson probably doing a 360 dunk. He's just really explosive for a man of that stature as well. So imagine that weight coming down, crashing back onto the ground. It's going to be a lot on your knees, it's going to be a lot of weight on your feet. So hopefully with all that air cushioning, you have a more softer touch when you grace the court. Again, so we'll just look at the uppers, and just one thing I do want to mention about this sneaker is that at the sides, it's very well reinforced. Right here, obviously with, again, going back to the stats, the kind of player that Zion himself is, you know, you want a full lockdown support for your feet. And going on to lockdown support, this sneaker comes with a front strap right there, very much like an Air Challenge, an Air Trader 1. How that's got. I don't think a lot of basketball sneakers had the strap. I could be wrong, not to my knowledge. I do, maybe the glove from Gary Payton, but that was so long ago. Can't really remember off the top of my head. But the upper is in this beautiful, lovely, royal, I say royal, like purple color. Right there, you got the accents of red to really go with it. You got the Zoom Air logo at the forestrap here, front strap. This gives that 90s vibe, which I love. Blend of materials, you got like your suedes. You can see the mesh underneath with the perforations there. Perforations at the sides as well. Zion logo, a nice cushioned tongue. Flat lacing system here. At the back, you can see right here what the black suedes. You can see the pods there. And at the heel, you got the Let Stance, just written there, Air Strobel, and the Jumpman logo in that red and black. Insole, so as I mentioned, there's an Air Strobel unit on the insole. And you got the Zion logo right there. And the support, like, it's very padded around the ankle support. Obviously, you know, you don't want your ankles to break whilst you're like dunking on fools. So this is designed with Zion's athleticism and obviously the way that he plays in mind. Really excited to try these on and dunk on some fools. So roll out footage of me trying these Jordan Zion 2s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit because it maximizes the whole lockdown support that you get. I don't feel like there's any good be any slippages. I'm not as explosive as Zion when I'm playing basketball. I'm more of a catch and shoot kind of player myself. But if I was to attack the paint, I do feel very nicely supported, very well cushioned as well, I must add. But as soon as you land, there's not much aftershock coming because obviously you got the air support, you got air Strobel, you got the Zoom Air all underneath to cushion your falls. I think these look really cool on as well. I'm a big fan of purple, as I've mentioned before, and hopefully we see Zion plays in these bad boys next season. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.